favorite. First, we need to rinse the flattened poha underwater.
Okay, I have rinsed them and drained the water. Now what next?
Let's heat some oil in a pan. Mustard, cumin, and seed. Pinch of hing.
I shall add the peanuts now. I love it when they get crunchy.
Great. Now add chopped onions, green chilies, and curry leaves. Stir until the onions start translate.
Aroma is amazing. Should I add the turmeric powder and salt now?
Yes, add them along with the poha. Mix everything. Poha doesn't break.
It's looking so yellow and fresh. Do you need to cook it for long?
No, I just cover it with lid and